Fuzzy equivalence relations, part 3. Properties of a relation on a single set. Consider a crisp relation. It is said to be a reflexive relation whenever odate pair XX element of R for all X element of A, and it is said to be irreflexive if it is not satisfied for some X element of A, and anti-reflexive when it is not satisfied for all X element of A. The relation is said to be symmetric whenever XY element of R implies odate pair YX element of R. It is said to be asymmetric or non-symmetric when for some XY element of A, odate pair XY element of R and odate pair YX not in R. For antisymmetricity, relation R must hold following condition: whenever XY element of R and YX not in R. It is said to be transitive when XY element of R and odate pair YZ element of R implies odate pair XZ element of R. Closure of R is the smallest relation R dash containing a specific property. In the case of a transitive closure, the transitive closure R infinity is obtained by taking union of R, R square, R cube, etc. This is an example of transitive closure. If relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then it is called an equivalence relation. Any equivalence relation generates a unique partition of the set into disjoint subsets A1, A2, etc. An. This is an example of partition. Suppose the relation R is reflexive and symmetric, then it is called a compatibility relation. There are so many other relations: a pre-order relation, a pre-order, order relation, strict order, total order, etc. This is a comparison of relation. Now consider fuzzy relation. A fuzzy relation is a relation which satisfies the reflexivity whenever mu r xx equal to 1, irreflexivity whenever mu r xx not equal to 1 for some x. It is said to be anti-reflexive whenever mu r xx not equal to 1 for all x. Epsilon reflexive if mu r xx greater than or equal to epsilon. So fuzzy relation is written in terms of its membership degree corresponding to any element odate pair xy element of R. Consider the membership degree of odate pair xy. So corresponding to that we can classify a fuzzy relation. It is said to be symmetric whenever mu r xy equal to mu r yx, and asymmetric when mu r xy not equal to mu r yx. Fuzzy relation R is said to be antisymmetric when mu r xy greater than 0 and mu r yx greater than 0 implies that x equal to y for all xy element of x. A fuzzy relation is transitive or maximum transitive if R of x z is greater than or equal to maximum for every y element of y, minimum of R of xy, R of yz, where R of xz, R of xy and R of yz are membership degrees of odate pairs xz, xy and yz respectively. If R of xz is less than maximum of R of xy, R of yz, then it is called antitransitive. So this is an example of a fuzzy relation which is not transitive but reflexive and symmetric. A fuzzy binary relation which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive is known as a similarity relation or a fuzzy equivalence relation. Each alpha cut of a similarity relation R is an equivalence relation. Pi R alpha is the partition by equivalence relation R alpha. Xy are in the same block of pi R alpha if and only if mu R xy greater than or equal to alpha. This pi of R alpha is a refinement of pi of R beta if and only if alpha greater than or equal to beta. This is an example of partition corresponding to an equivalence relation, fuzzy equivalence relation. So here pi of R point 3 equal to set x1, x4, x5, x6 and x2, x3. A tree diagram for a partition tree corresponding to the similarity class. An example of a fuzzy similarity relation. Its level set 0, 0.4, 0.5, 0.8, 0.9, 1. So this is a tree diagram for a partition tree corresponding to alpha cut. So for alpha equal to 0.4, ABD is in one block and CFG in another block. Whenever relations are reflexive and symmetric, that relation, fuzzy relation, is called tolerance relation or a compatibility relation. A maximal compatibility class or maximal compatibility is a compatibility class that is not properly contained within any other compatibility class. The family consisting of all the maximal compatibles induced by R on X is called a complete cover of X with respect to R. An example of fuzzy tolerance relation. Relation is symmetric and reflexive. Another example. So tree diagram, partition tree. The other fuzzy relations are fuzzy partial ordering, whenever relation is reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive, it is called a fuzzy partial ordering relation. In the crisp case, we have ordering relation, a partial ordering relation, and corresponding to that, suppose if we consider least upper bound and greatest lower bound of a subset A of X, suppose this least upper bound and greatest lower bound exists for every subset, then that partial ordering relation is called a lattice. Here, in the case of fuzzy partial ordering, suppose corresponding to set X, it is said to be dominating class of X whenever mu R greater than or equal to X of Y equal to mu R xy. It is said to be dominated class of X whenever mu R less than or equal to X, Y equal to mu R yx. An element is undominated whenever mu R xy equal to 0 for all Y element of X and Y not equal to X. It is said to be undominating element if mu R yx equal to 0 for all Y element of X, Y not equal to X. A fuzzy upper bound is URA equal to intersection for every X element of A R greater than or equal to X. And a fuzzy lower bound L of RA is intersection for every X element of A R less than or equal to X. mu r greater than or equal to x2 is called a dominating class of x. So corresponding to x2, that represents a fuzzy set 0 by x1, 1 by x2 plus 0 by x3 plus 0.9 by x4 plus 0 by x5. Similarly, to get mu r less than or equal to x2, consider column corresponding to x2 and write a corresponding fuzzy set. Here for a equal to x1 x2, set x1 x2, u of ra is 0.8 by x2 plus 0.9 by x4, and L of ra is 0.8 by x1 plus 0.6 by x3. It's an example of strict ordering. Okay.